What's up YouTube, Tay here from TayWilkins.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can get started with affiliate marketing with zero startup. That's right, no money at all. Many of you want to get started with affiliate marketing but don't have a lot of money, if any money at all. So I'm going to show you how you can get around that. Just keep in mind, however, that because you won't be using any money with this method, it will take a lot of your time. If this is right up your alley, then make sure you stick around to the end. That way you'll have everything you need to get started for free. There will be a list in the description box of all the free resources you will need, so make sure at the end of this video you check that out. So the very first thing you're going to need is to pick a niche. Some popular niches are wealth, which is things like make money online, personal finance, debt and credit, and entrepreneurship. Then you have health, which is stuff like diet and nutrition, fitness, supplements and vitamins, and mental health. Or you can choose the popular tech niche, and that pertains to things like electronics, like laptops and computers, smartphones, DSLRs and mirrorless cameras, game consoles, and game accessories. There are many more niches and subcategories within the niches that I just mentioned, but these are just examples of the more popular ones. Next, you need products to promote with your niche. Niches like wealth and some of health are usually associated with digital products. These usually come in the form of ebooks or digital videos. You can sign up to places like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and Max Web to get an affiliate link that will allow you to earn commissions every time someone buys from your link. It's free to sign up to these platforms, but some vendors may require you to reach out to them in order to get either the affiliate links or product review copies. For physical products like supplements or tech, you can sign up to places like Amazon Associates, Walmart, eBay, Target, and Best Buy. These are all free to sign up, and you get instant access to their affiliate links. So, you know where to get the products to promote. Now it's time to start promoting. But how? So, the two best ways are to create how-tos or product reviews. You use this content to recommend a product or to help the people checking out your content by providing a solution to a problem they may be having. The way you'll distribute this content is either by creating YouTube videos, or you can create blog posts or a website. Both of these things you can do for free. If you're watching this video, then most likely you have everything you need to create a YouTube video. You don't need to be on camera all the time to have a successful YouTube channel. If you're promoting digital products and you're doing reviews, all you need is a built-in or external mic and screen capture software, which you can get for free, and you should be good to go. I'll leave a few links to some free screen capture software down in the description below, so make sure you check that out. For how-tos, you can string together still images and video clips with some instructional text along with your voice, or alternatively, you can add some background music to break up the dead air if you're not speaking. If you need a video editor in your own PC, you can check out Filmora for Windows, and you can check out VSDC. These are powerful video editors, and you can use them completely for free. For Mac users, you have iMovie, and you can also check out a free video program called Lightworks. For mobile video editors, if mobile is your only option for making video content, you can use the mobile version of Filmora, which is again free to use and has some really good features for mobile. For free images and video clips, you can use sites like pixabay.com, pexels.com, or picwizard.com. All of these sites have materials that you can use for free, and you don't have to give any type of attribution. For music, YouTube itself has a wide range of music and sound effects for free for anyone to use. Just be aware that some of the music does require attribution, which just means you have to give the original creator credit. Creating content for YouTube is going to take a lot of time and consistency, but rewards well if you can keep it up. Now, if you don't want to create YouTube videos or you would rather write, you can create a blog or a website. You can share the same how-to or review content. It will just be naturally in Word format. There are 3 options when it comes to starting a website for free that I recommend. First is Google's own Blogger. This has been around for ages. You can log in with an existing Gmail account, choose a theme, and get started blogging right away. Blogger doesn't have a lot of option when it comes to customization, but it is pretty easy to operate and manage. Next up, and what I use, is Wix. Wix allows you to create a website and have it live and running absolutely free. The easy drag and drop nature allows you to customize your website any way you like, and if there's something that you feel is missing, you have a whole suite of apps and add-ons to further customize your website. Third option, which is what I also use and I recommend out of all of these, is Wealthy Affiliate. This isn't just another platform to build a website on, it's an entire community. But more on that in just a second. You build your website using WordPress, one of the best website building tools available. WordPress has the most tools, add-ons, and themes, which gives you the most customization when it comes to building your website. Now, when it comes to Wealthy Affiliate, not only are you getting the website builder, but you are getting free training that teaches you how to build your website, how to optimize it for SEO, and how to monetize it. Wealthy Affiliate is also partnered with a few affiliate networks so you can access affiliate products straight from the platform itself. You also get access to their community. When you post new content, these members will be some of the first to see your content. Not only that, but if you are ever in need of help, there will always be someone there to give you a helping hand. I definitely recommend this one if you're just starting out. And I want to mention again that you can access all of this stuff for free. Still here? Okay, cool. Something to take note of is that because all of this is free, you will be using subdomains with your websites, which will look something like what you see with my Blogger blog. If you look up in the URL, it says taywilkins.blogspot.com. Now, this is pretty tame compared to other platforms, so when sharing your website out, you may want to use a link shortener like bit.ly to give it a much cleaner and easier name to remember. Bit.ly is free to use and you can customize the back end of your link to something more memorable. Plus, you get free tracking with Bit.ly as well, so you'll always know where your traffic is coming from. Just like YouTube, it's going to take a lot of time and consistency before your website gets a decent amount of traffic. You will have to write articles, how-tos, and product reviews multiple times a week, and you will also have to make sure you are using the right keywords to target the right audience. Now, if you're not good with writing and you don't want to pay for articles, then I have a solution for you. Check this website out here. PLRarticles.com provides PLR articles that are absolutely free for you to use on your website, and they cover a variety of topics, so there's something here for everyone. You can sign up and download their articles and use them on your website. If you're going to use the articles from this site, then I seriously recommend that you proofread any articles that you download and consider changing the article up a bit. See, here's the thing. A lot of these articles are written from people in different countries around the world. Most countries are unique with their vocabulary and how they structure their sentences. And the way words are spelled or used in a sentence in India will be totally different than how words are spelled and used in the US and the UK. You have to make sure that the articles that you are using meshes well with the audience you are trying to target. Something internet marketers rely on is being able to retarget their audience, and they do this through email marketing. They'll send email newsletters, reminders of existing products, and info on upcoming products coming down the pipeline. Most email autoresponders and email maintainers cost money, but there is one site that provides their services for free, and that service is MailChimp. MailChimp allows you to create landing pages, collect up to 2,000 email subscribers, and send up to 10,000 emails a month. And again, they allow you to do this for free. But, and this is a big but, there is a catch. MailChimp doesn't like it when you promote affiliate products. If there are affiliate links attached to your landing pages or emails, they will lock up your account. Well, you're probably wondering, well, why would I even use this service? That defeats the purpose, right? Yes, it does, but there is a workaround. See, you can still collect the emails, but instead of trying to send people straight to an affiliate offer through your landing page or your email, you can send them back to either your YouTube channel or your website and then provide your affiliate links that way. Now, I know this is an extra step, but remember, you are using free methods to try to make all this stuff work. Last thing on this list is to grow your audience. You'll be using a mix of forums and social media to engage with people and promote your website or your YouTube videos. In the beginning, this will be your primary way of getting traffic to your YouTube videos or your website until they start ranking high enough in search engines to hold their own. I wouldn't bother posting affiliate links on social media unless you're going to provide some useful content to go along with it. If you're just posting links, it looks spammy and most people will either block you or ignore you. Okay, so that's how you can get started with affiliate marketing absolutely free. I'll leave links to all the resources talked about today down in the description box below. Again, remember, because you're doing this stuff using free methods, it's going to take you a good amount of time before you see a return on your investment. Everybody's mileage will vary, and it depends on how dedicated you are to your own success. For some people, it could take months, and for others, it could take years. That's all from me today. Do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and also make sure you share this out with anybody who needs a little help making money online. One last thing from me, and that's to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online. It will be the very first link in the description. So if you're serious about making money online, then go check it out. All right, that's all I got, guys. See you on the next video. Take care.